Today I'm calling all the cheesecake lovers to the front of the line for this one. We're going to make a Little Debbie no-bake oatmeal pie cheesecake. It's a mouthful, but it's so delicious. So to start off, you're going to take some room temp cream cheese and you're going to blend that until it's nice and fluffy. Next, you're going to add in a little bit of vanilla and some lemon juice, and then you're going to beat that in until it's fully incorporated. Now we're going to go ahead and set that aside. In a separate bowl, you're going to take a half a pack of cheesecake instant pudding, and then you're going to add in some half and half with that, and then you're going to blend that until it's nice and smooth. Now we're just going to take both and incorporate them with each other until it's nice and fluffy. Next, we're going to go ahead and add in some powdered sugar. You want to beat it in a little bit at a time. Make sure it's nice and smooth and there's no lumps. Now this is our filling. We're going to go ahead and set that aside. Now for our base, we're going to take some Little Debbie Oatmeal Creme Pies, and then we're going to take a spring form pan. We're going to line it with some parchment paper, and then we're going to go ahead and line the bottom with our Little Debbie snack cakes. Now I love oatmeal pies. Now you can cut them up and fill in the holes if you like to, but I didn't find that it was necessary. Then you're going to take a half of an oatmeal cake and you're going to line the outline of the pan. Next, we're going to go ahead and add our filling, and then you want to smooth it out and make sure you get in all those little crevices. We're going to put this in the freezer for 2 hours just to set. Now after 2 hours, you're going to take it out and you're going to cover it up with some aluminum foil. You want to make sure it's nice and tight. And then we're going to sit it in the refrigerator for 12 hours. Yes, I said 12 hours. But you want to make sure it's nice and set because this is a no-bake cheesecake. Make it the day before if it's for an event. Now for the top, you're going to crumble up some oatmeal pies and you're going to add them on top. And then you can take a can of Buttercream Frosting, add it to a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, you can use a little baggie. And just put a few dollops around the edges. Look at this. Look at here. Everybody is so creative and I love it. It's so good. It's so creamy. It's not heavy. It's not as sweet as you would think. It's so delicious, girl. Big back behavior. Yum.